Welcome everybody to the SBL pre-scene for March 26, and we're going to do a little walkthrough. So 10 parts, what I see as being the most important parts, what you can get from it, and what we think might be coming up. So breakdown of the whole pre-scene really. So part one, just an introduction. We're looking at what is magazine publishing. Hopefully we all know what a magazine is. But the idea is that we have to create, print and distribute, and we'll be coming to that a bit later. So it's not retail, it's not manufacturing, it's distributing content. Revenue comes from readers and advertisers. And Merceh wraps stories, photos, articles and ads into over 300 magazine titles, a huge number. So basic background really. On to market position, they're one of the top 5 publishers in Darland. There's a 1,000 million market, otherwise known as $8 billion market. The top 5 control around 50% of the market share, so it's what we call an oligopoly. Now, Merceh's revenue is 640 million, which probably therefore puts it as 3rd or 4th biggest in the country. It's a consolidated market, but everybody's exposed to the same demand shifts. If the demand for magazine goes down, we all suffer. A new entrants therefore face high barriers to entry because it's an oligopoly. There's huge companies taking 50% of the share, so very hard to come in and disrupt that. Okay, in terms of the product portfolio, there's over 300 leisure magazines across 8 different divisions. So fashion, lifestyle, you know the sort of magazines, sport, whatever it might be. The portfolio is diversified in number, so 300, so there's lots of different magazines. And remember when we talked about diversification, we're thinking about, well, if the sport magazine does badly, I'm not worried because my entertainment weekly will do well. So it is diversified in that respect, but they are all still magazines. So they're all exposed to the same demand for magazine shock. 8 divisions, which makes it complex for the CFO. And if leisure reading declines, as we've said, all 300 magazines will suffer together. So a big issue. Now revenue over the 5 years has increased by 15%, but the margins are falling. Okay, that's the headline issue. So the 3 key takeaways then. First one, magazine publishing is content distribution in a consolidated 8 billion oligopoly market. There's 300 leisure magazines in 8 divisions, diversified in number, but we've got the same risk. Revenue is growing, but profit margins are shrinking. So that concludes our first out of 10 analysis of the pre-scene. See you over in part 2.